Good morning and welcome again. Good morning, students. As you know, we are working on MySQL concept. MySQL, it is a relational database management system language, and what we can do in MySQL, we can create databases, we can create tables, we can create views of different views of the table, and we can make some queries on the table. Right? So from today we are going to start the practical sessions of MySQL. But before that, I hope you have installed MySQL into your PC. If not, just install it today itself. Clear? So once you start MySQL into your PC, what will happen? As you know, MySQL, it is a text user interface language, TUI language. Right? So once you start MySQL, what is there on the screen? You can see on your screen MySQL is written in small letter, MySQL, and then this is the greater than symbol over here, right? And just after that you can see one cursor is blinking after that symbol, right? The whole environment, it is a black and white environment. The background color of MySQL, it is pure black color, and the font, it is in white color. Yeah, at any time you can change the background, you can change the font color, you can increase the font size also. But by default, it has black color background and white color foreground. Clear? So you see MySQL, the symbol and the cursor on the computer's monitor. Right? It is known as MySQL prompt. I am going to write it down. It is MySQL prompt, P-R-O-M-P-T, it is prompt. Clear on? So you see this MySQL prompt, and it is the place just after the symbol where the cursor is showing. It is the place where you are going to write your commands. You are going to write MySQL commands. Clear? Yes, the command of MySQL, it is not case sensitive. You can write the command in small letter, you can write the command in small capital letter also. Clear? But the very important thing is, after each and every command, you have to put one semicolon as a terminator. Clear? If your command is a single line command, just write the command, and after the command put one semicolon. And if your command is a multi-line command, your command contains 2 or 3 lines, just put the semicolon after the last line of the command. These two are the basic rule of MySQL. Clear? So here it is MySQL prompt, and our very first work, what we can do in MySQL. Agar apan baat kare, if we want to create something, we can create a database in MySQL. Very first database creation, it should be there. After the creation of database, we can create tables in MySQL, we can create views in MySQL. Right? So these 3 things, first database, second number table, and the third view. These 3 creation points are there in MySQL. So now, how to create database in MySQL? What is the command to create a database in MySQL? Just see the command. If you want to create a database with your name, right? What will be the command? The command is MySQL, it is the prompt, it is there already on the screen, you need not to write this particular portion. The command starts from here. Here, my command is create, create, then space, then database, database, create, space, database, then space. Now you have to give the name of your database. I am going to create a database with HGI name. So I have written HGI over here. Clear? Now the command is completed. After this command, I am going to put one semicolon. Just see the formation of the command. Create space database space HGI. I have written the command in capital letter. You can write it in small letter also at the time of practical. So by this command, one database HGI is created. Database, what is database? Database is just like a container in which we can create different tables, in which we can create different tables that are related with HGI. Clear? So it is our very first command, create database HGI. Your database is created. Now if you want to see how many databases, how many containers are there in your MySQL, just write the next command. Here it is, MySQL. Prompt again, need not to write it, it is there already on the monitor. MySQL, and here I am going to write show databases. DATABASES. It is in plural term, databases, right? Show databases. Once the command is going to execute in your PC, all the databases that are there in MySQL, these databases are appeared in this particular style. Suppose HGI is there, then BSM, one more database, it is also there, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many databases are there in MySQL? All the name of databases appear on the monitor, right? So first command, create database HGI. The second command is show databases. Now just come to one more thing, another thing. Here it is a single line command. The command is create database. It is a single line command. Yes, it's on me. I can write this command in multiple lines also. How it is possible? Just see. Now in the first line I am going to write show, right? No semicolon is there after show. MySQL or your computer understand that command is not completed still. Now if I press enter over here, पहले मैंने show लिखा, just after show if I press enter, what will happen? Just check it. Now the MySQL prompt is converted into arrow symbol. Just see it. Here it is MySQL prompt, and the command is terminated at the middle. I am going to write the one word only, and just press enter. Now the arrow symbol will appear on the monitor. Clear? Here the remaining part of the command, क्या था remaining part? Show के बाद क्या था? Databases. Now the remaining part of the command I am going to write over here in front of this arrow symbol. Show databases. It is there in small letter, right? No issue. Show databases. अभी भी मैंने यहाँ पे सेमीकोलन नहीं लगाया, एंटर प्रेस कर दिया. जैसे मैं एंटर प्रेस करूंगा, now again this arrow symbol will be there on the monitor. कमांड नहीं चलेगी. कब ये कमांड एग्जीक्यूट होगी? once you put semicolon, after that your computer execute the command. नहीं तो arrow यही चलते जाएंगे मॉनिटर के ऊपर. Clear? Now at the third line I am going to put semicolon like this. Show databases. Once I put semicolon and then press enter, automatically the command will execute on the monitor, and then all the databases that are created already, these databases are there on your monitor, will be there on your monitor. Clear? Right? You can convert this single line command also in multiple lines. Create in the first line, database in the second line, HG in the third line, and in the fourth line you can put semicolon. Right? एक चीज हमेशा याद रखनी है, जब तक आप सेमीकोलन पुट नहीं करोगे, the command will not execute at all. Clear? And your MySQL prompt, it is converted into arrow symbol. I hope it is clear. Right? So these two commands, very first, these two commands are there of MySQL. The first one create and the second one is show. Now we will move. If we want to enter inside a database, suppose one folder is there on your Windows desktop, and if you want to go inside the folder, what you can do? We can do just double click on that folder. Double click means we are going to enter inside the folder, right? So here HGI database is created by this command. If we want to confirm that the database is created or not, we are going to supply the second command, that is show databases, and this HGI name, it is available in the list of the database. Now our next task is, we want to enter inside the database, we want to shift inside the HGI database. Now the third command to go inside the database, the third command is MySQL. The prompt is there on the monitor. In front of this prompt, you just write command use, use, then space, then here HGI, use HGI. One confirmation message is there just after the command if the command is correct. Clear? So just remember the third command, first one, second one and the third one. By these commands we can work on the databases.